Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Dayforce Payroll account. For those people who don't know about Dayforce Payroll account, Dayforce is our global HCM software platform that transforms the employee experience. It unifies data from across the entire employee lifecycle to enable better decision making at every level. Dayforce is a comprehensive cloud platform that combines HR, payroll, benefits, workforce management, and talent management in a single application. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will notify every time we post our video. Now let's get started with opening up any web browser on your PC. Type in dayforcehcm.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be headed to its login page. Here you have to type your company name, username and password. Type in your details correctly. Now after entering all the details correctly, tap on login button to get signed in to your account. I hope this video helped you to log into your account. If it did, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video and also subscribe our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.